Okay, what we got going on here today is a broken pull cord on a Tecumseh powered snowblower. And first thing we'll do is take and remove the recoil housing here. It is 4 3/8 inch nuts. Now with those nuts removed, this will simply just slide off of there. Okay, so what we have here, it broke off right at the end. We want to get that knotted piece out of there. Fortunately for me, I had the rope break right at the end, so rope looks in pretty good shape. It was just at the knotted end there. So to keep it from unraveling here, I take a match in a well ventilated area, light it, and then singe the end here. That'll keep the heat will keep it from unraveling. Next, what we're going to want to do is take some penetrating oil, and on where it comes up to the very top here, spray some of that down in there to help lubricate the spring before we wind it up. What you want to do is get it sprayed right in there in that crack to get it inside there and lubricate that spring real well. Next thing we're going to do is take and count how many times around. We're going to rewind this in a counterclockwise position 7 times, and then we'll jam a screwdriver in there to lock it in. And what we want is where it gets knotted in is lined up with this where we pull the cord here. Next, it's very helpful if you have a small, stiff, thin wire. It is about 6 inches or about 15 millimeters long. I'm just going to take the insulation off here. And what we're going to do is feed it in there, pierce our rope, and then pull it through, and then we'll tie our knot in it. Okay, we'll tie our knot in here. Get a little wire off of here. We want to make sure it's nice and tight. If you purchased a new rope, you'll have to put the handle on it. This would be the great time to do that. And go ahead and pull this tight here. So your knot will go down in there okay. And we can take our screwdriver off and let it recoil in there. I'll reinstall it on the machine and we're all done.